Dámy a páni, dnešné video je fakt masívne, pretože som si zahral reloady so Cypher PKom. Neboli to customky, nebol to ani stream snipe, bola to čistá náhodička a síce sme tu hru nevyhrali, ale podarilo sa mi ho pridať do friendov, takže pokiaľ sa vám bude video páčiť, nezabudnite za like, odber a ideme na video. Hlava! Dostane strašný bím.
Jožo, ty prestaň klamať.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I don't know you are streaming, but I'm playing ranked for fun and I'm with you in team. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. You're so good.
Thank you, man.
Oh my god. No way.
Yeah, I accidentally played on the server. Do you know Mr. Savage?
Yeah.
I was just doing a video with Mr. Savage, so I was on EU.
Nice. Let's go.
Let's win this game. Let's win this game.
Yes. I try and go focusing and try hard.
Awesome.
No way. Whoa! No way. That?
I'm chilling.
Okay. I go to here. Nice.
Tempi girl.
And can I have you add friend?
Yes.
Can you give me send friend request?
Of course. I send you now.
Bro, you so crazy. No way.
I need to grab the minis.
Bro, respawn.
Oh, I can't grab the minis.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No, I have ping. I have so big ping.
I need a medkit.
I'm trying to give you. Here.
You see this guy?
Wait, I go to you and I gave you.
We kill him.
No! Here is camping. On me is medkit.
Nice kill. Go.
Nice. That's stream sniper, I think.
Yeah. I can't grab the minis. One more. Above.
Oh my god!
Help. Revive.
Revive.
Assist.
No.
Oh no.
Yes!
You did it! No!
No way.
It's an alien. He's a stream sniper. He doesn't like me.
No way.
I killed him too many times.
Cypher PK, can you please help me to reach Ariel?
I can't because you guys are on EU. I have to go back to my server, but maybe another time.
Okay.
Good game, guys.
Okay, thanks for game. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.